So now, to be putting the drivetrain back in place after you've finished whatever repairs you're doing to it, it's just a straight reverse procedure of what we started from before. Just be mindful of your fingers. Then you can line it up, make sure that all the holes are in place. You're going to want to put some blue Loctite on all of these ones. Now the torque specs for this model is 115 inch-pounds and 130 inch-pounds for the other three. Now that you've got it torqued into place, it's always a good idea to take a pad driver, make sure that everything spins freely. Since it's easier to see, we'll show demonstrating putting the seal back in place up here. Start with just a general lacquer thinner around the edges to make sure that you have a clean, prepped surface. Now let that dry so that you can get a good grip on there. For all of the seals that we do here at WerkMasters, we always use RTV red high temperature silicone seal. No matter how hot the drivetrain gets, it'll always hold up. Make sure that you fill in the entire gap in between so there's no place for any kind of dirt or debris to get into. And if you do decide to fill in all of this and do the major seal on the bench, don't forget that after you've put in the vacuum pipe, you also have to seal around it. Once you've got the seal made, run your finger around the edge. It'll push that little bit of silicone down further in to make a better seal. It'll also reveal any little pockets that you may have missed on the first time around. It's very important to make sure that you have a solid seal on this, because otherwise stuff will get in, it'll destroy your drivetrain all over again. Then all the hard work you just went through is ruined. Now we have to let it dry.